guys, welcome to Growing Guitar, Fireboy DML and Pheelz on a Kentro. I think that is the title. I don't have the slightest clue of that is a place, or I don't know what that means at all. Maybe you can teach me, leave my comments. If you know what that is all about, then yeah, please explain. I'm gonna explain how to play it though, so stay tuned here. Let's learn this song together. And this goes fast. We don't have any capo here, we just have a clean fretboard, only 3 chords that rolls in the same way. Let's look at the chords first. So we have an F, which is a bar chord, so you place the index finger on this first fret, you push down all you have there on all strings, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. Then you have the C, and that will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, open E. And then finally you have the G, and that will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Okay, so that is the chord progression. Now let's learn the strumming, and we have 2 parts of it. So if you grab the first chord F, the full round with both parts sounds like this. Okay, so the first part is down, down, up, down. Okay, so down, down, up, down. That's the first part, and the second part is just 2 downs. Down, down. So together, down, down, up, down, down, down. And a couple of rounds. Okay, so that is actually how the song starts. You're gonna play F 2 full rounds like we just played. Then you go into C and play part 1, down, down, up, down. And then you shift to G and play part 2, down, down. And then you stay on that G and play 1 full round more. So down, down, up, down, down, down. And that's 1 round. So slowly it goes like this. Tempo. Alright guys, so there you have it, and have in mind, this is my interpretation of handling this song. This is not a guitar song at all, but you can play almost anything on a guitar, and this is how I would play it. So have that in mind. Thank you for watching, and like I said, if you know what this title is all about, then leave a comment on that, or maybe how I perform here on my channel, what you want to learn, and so on. So I hope to see you soon guys. Till next time, play tuned.